In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this elegant Christmas tag. The free SVG file can be found on my website, DIYcrafttutorials.com, and let's get straight into it. First, go ahead and upload the SVG. Go to Upload, Upload Image, Browse, find the SVG, and then click on Open, and then Upload. Now you'll see it in your recent uploads and just add it to your canvas. Next, right click and ungroup to separate the layers. You could just go ahead and cut it out at this point, but I'm going to add a name. So go up to the text tool and type in my name, which is Tanya, and then I go and change the font. I'm going to use a font called Amarillo, and I'll leave a link to that in the description box of this video. Make sure the name fits within the shape and get it as big as you can. I then go ahead and select the name and the shape and then click on Attach. This will put it all together so it cuts as one piece, not separate pieces. And then go ahead and make it. I am using the Cricut Joy today, but you could use any of the Cricut machines. So for the backing cardstock, I am using a medium weight cardstock, and under the materials I am going to choose medium cardstock 80 pound 216 GSM. Now for the gold part on top, I am using a permanent vinyl, and I go ahead and choose premium vinyl and then select more pressure. Go ahead and cut out your tags. On the longest Cricut Joy mat, I can fit 4 backing cards and 5 names. Go through and weed the names as you usually would, and then I'm going to use transfer tape to adhere the vinyl to the cardstock. It's best to start from the bottom tip first and then make your way to the top. This will help you center your frame. Carefully peel off the transfer tape, and there you have some elegant tags. You can either put these on presents as present tags, you could also have them as ornaments for your tree, or you can remove the circle altogether using the contour feature in Design Space, and you can have them as a label. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out the links below for things that I've mentioned in this video, and I'll see you in the next video.